Standing with the right foot about 3 foot in front of your left, toes pointing to the front edge of the mat. Turn your left foot about 60 degrees and square your hips to the front, pulling your right hip back a little and pushing the left forwards. So there's a straight line from left hip to pelvis to right hip. Inhale and bring your hands to Namaste prayer position behind your back. If this is not possible, hold your wrists or elbows or use a strap or belt to fill the gap with the hands. Open the shoulders and chest, looking up to the sky. Keep your thighs muscles engaged. Exhale, keeping your shoulders open and back. Fold the body forwards from the hips, reaching the chin towards your shin. Keep working on pulling the right hip back so the hips stay parallel and the spine stays long. Stay here breathing deeply. Then inhale to lift the body up, open out the shoulders, looking up to the sky. Exhale, changing your legs so that you can repeat this pose on the opposite side.